good. But maybe went 57 on technology in Harley Motor.
He was up there the next day.
Oh,
He just bought that. He hadn't even had a stop.
no kidding. So how many miles ago?
A little over that.
I'm on my second vision.
No miles at all.
I've been waiting for that motor since.
Oh yeah.
Because they came out with
They were gonna. That was gonna be the new Vision motor, and they were gonna redo it. It'll work. I mean, I can't really do that anyway. I'm just power. That's okay. I'll be cool to do.
Yeah, I know.
This sucks! That's not me!
So yeah, I got a chance yesterday, I'm talking like literally yesterday, to ride the new 2022 Indian Chief Dark Horse at Indian Motorcycle of Panama City Beach, Florida. Shout out to Indian of Panama City Beach, Florida. They called me and let me know they had the new Indian Chief, but currently it is not on dealer floors. But there is a demo truck with the Chief Dark Horse and the Super Chief headed around the country. So check with your local dealer to see when it will arrive in your area. But stay tuned for a longer impressions video later this week where I go more into detail about the new Chief, including a 34-minute off-the-cuff motovlog and a rainstorm. So subscribe and comment down below what you would like to know about the Chief Dark Horse and the Super Chief. But I only had enough time to ride the Chief Dark Horse considering the rain ruined the day, so hit that thumbs up button so you don't miss out, and of course, so Indian Motorcycle will hopefully notice and sponsor me one day.